The Blue Cross Blue Shield Association (BCBSA) is a federation of 38 separate health insurance organizations and companies in the United States. Combined, they directly or indirectly provide health insurance to over 100 million Americans. BCBSA insurance companies are franchise independent of the association and traditionally each other, offering insurance plan with indefinite design under one or both of the association brands. Blue Cross Blue Shield Insurance offers some form of health insurance coverage in every US state and also act as administration of relation between the patients and the medical provider was not changed. The patients received medical care and was responsible for paying the provider if the service was covered by the policy. The insurance company was responsible for reimbursing or indemnifying the patients based on the provisions of the insurance contract. Reimbursement benefits benefits health insurance plans that are not based on a network of contract providers or that base payment on a percentage of provider charges are still described as indemnity or fee for service plans, can be established by those who already have health insurance. Withdrawal from HSA are only penalized if the money is spent on non-medical items or services. Funds can be used to pay for qualified expenses including doctor's fees, Medicare Parts A and B, and drugs without being taxed. Consumers wishing to deposit pre-tax funds in an HSA must be enrolled in a high dedicated insurance plan with a number of restrictions on benefit design. In 2007, qualifying plans must have a minimum dedicated to USS 105. Currently, the minimum dedicated has risen to $1,2000 for individual and $2,400 for family. HSA annual health care individual to pay less for insurance and deposit money for their own future health care. Dental and vision expenses are one form of tax preference. Health care spending accounts, other flexible spending accounts, Archer medical saving accounts, which have been superseded by the new HSA, although existing MSA are grant and health reimbursement account. These accounts are most commonly used as part of employee health. Lost because the worker was unable to work, not medical expenses. Before the development of medical expenses insurance, patients were expected to pay all other health care costs out of their own pockets under what is known as the fees for service business model. During the middle to late 20th century, traditional disability insurance evolved into modern health insurance program. Today, most comprehensive private health insurance programs cover the cost of routine, preventive, and emerging health care procedure and also most prescription drugs. But this was not always the case. The rise of private insurance was accompanied and by the gradual expansion of public insurance programs for those who could not acquire coverage through the market. Hospital and medical expense policies were introduced during the first half of the 20th century. During the 1920s, individual hospitals began offering service to individuals on a prepaid basis, eventually leading to the development of Blue Cross organization in the 1930s. The first employer-sponsored hospitalization plan was created by teachers in Dallas, Texas in 1929 because the plan only covered network-based managed care. Many managed care programs are based on a panel or network of contracted healthcare providers. Such programs typically include a set of selected providers that furnish a comprehensive array of healthcare service to enrolls explicit standards for selecting providers, formal utilization review and quality improvement program, an emphasis on preventive care and financial incentive to encourage enrolls to use care efficiently. Provider network can be used to reduce cost by negotiating favorable fees from providers, selecting cost-effective providers, and creating financial incentive for providers to practice more efficiently. A survey issued in 2009 by America Health Insurance Plan found that patients going to out-of-network providers are sometimes charged extremely high fees. Network-based plans may be either closed or open. With a closed network, enrolls expenses are generally only covered when they go to network providers. Only limited services are covered outside the network typically. Medi- Medicaid increased from 10.5% in 2000 to 40.5% 2010 and 20% in 2015. The proportion covered by Medicare increased from 13.5% 2000 to 15.5% 2010, decreased to 40% in 2015.